Today we're going to take a look at the BulletProof Hitches adjustable 2-ball mount for a 3-inch hitch. Has a 4-inch drop or rise and a 36,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this 2-ball mount is designed to slide into your 3-inch hitch receiver opening, and it'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The hitch ball right here is what will provide your connection point for your trailer coupler. If you see, it is an adjustable design. It'll provide up to a 4-inch drop, or if you flip it over, a 4-inch rise. It allows you to tow trailers with different heights with the same vehicle. That will work well with contractors, where they might want to install one of these on a truck and then use that one truck for different size trailers. This will offer 3 different ride heights. Basically, the distance between each adjustment hole is 2 inches center to center. So right now I have it in the stock, which is the 0 drop. If I move it down 1, that would be a 2-inch drop, and then the next one down would be a 4-inch drop. And it's very easy to do. All you have to do is pull these clips right here, pull out the pin, 2 pins, drop it down to the next one, put your pin in there, and just like that, the one down, it gives you a 2-inch drop, or if you flip it over, a 2-inch rise. And then you can go down to 4 inches if you prefer. So it's pretty easy to do. You just pull 2 pins, put them back in, clip them, and you're ready to go. This is a heavy-duty steel construction. It's a precision CNC milled and drilled, so because of that it gives you less rattle because of the close tolerances that are used. On the channel frame right up here, it's a 5/16 thick channel frame, makes it very strong and durable. Back here, they weld on a 1/2-inch thick gusset plate, which will brace the shank in the channel. And then the hitch balls are welded to the ball platform for extra sturdiness. So because of the solid shank, that gusset plate, the solid dual ball platform, this is built for extreme duty towing. And this whole thing right here weighs about 54 pounds, so it does have some heft to it. This part is made in the USA with USA steel. This is used by the US military, so it gives you a peace of mind that the product does use quality materials. The edges right here on the steel shank, they are CNC chamfered for appearance, but also for function. And the reason they do that, it makes it very easy to install the ball mount and remove it from any receiver. Sometimes hitch receivers will get all gunked up in the corners from grease or grime and dirt. And it sometimes is hard to install a shank that will have a perfect square to it. So they just chamfer off the edges and makes it a lot easier to install or remove. And the other nice thing is there's no sharp edges, so it gives you less chance of a finish problem with your finish on this. The finish on it is a nice powder-coated texture, heavy-duty black finish. This heavy-duty finish will keep your ball mount looking new instead of all worn and rusty after a short time. Now to install this into your hitch, there's 2 hitch pin holes here. It does require a hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock. Those items we do sell separately on our website. They're listed on this product page as a related product, and that'll allow you to secure this to your hitch receiver. I mentioned the 3 levels of adjustment for towing trailers with varying heights with the same vehicle. In other words, that top one would be no drop or rise. This one we got it in now is a 2-inch drop. If we moved it down to the last one, it would be a 4-inch drop. And same way if we flip it over, you could do a rise also. Basically, you just move that platform lower or raise it higher to match your application. The pins they use, they are hardened steel pins, so you won't have any problem with that. The ball platform, if you notice, has 2 different size hitch balls, a 2-inch diameter and a 2 5/16 diameter. This will let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. And to switch the ball, it's very easy to do. Again, just remove the 2 pins, take it out, flip it over, put your pin back in, and just like that, you have the larger ball. And if you need the smaller one, the same way, just flip it around. So it's very easy to get the correct size hitch ball you need. This part does exceed the SAE J684 weight testing requirements. Application again is 3-inch by 3-inch trailer receiver. Now this part is ideal for vehicles with a 12-inch to 18-inch clearance measured from the ground to the bottom of your receiver tube. Maximum drop and rise we mentioned is 4 inches. Now the gross towing weight capacity depends on the ball size you use. If you use the larger 2 5/16 ball, that'll get you your 36,000 pounds. If you use the smaller 2-inch ball, it's going to drop you to 12,000 pound maximum. Tongue weight capacity is 6,000 pounds. A few things I want to give you some measurements. I want to measure from the distance. There's 2 hitch pin holes here, so we're going to measure the center from the center of these hitch pin holes to the adjustment hole right here. So if we go to the center of the closest hitch pin hole, right here, it's It's going to be 8 1/8 inches. And to the furthest hitch pin hole back here is going to be 9 5/8 inches. Distance from the center of the adjustment hole to the center of the ball, it's going to be right at 3 5/8 inches. Overall height, right at 10 inches tall. Total length, I want to give you a total length with the ball platform installed. So from here to here, excuse me, 17 7/8 inches. And if we measure not including that ball platform that's sticking out, 13 3/8 inches. And last thing I do want to mention, they do offer a variety of attachments for this ball mount. And they'll allow you to use this ball mount also. You can put in the channel as a Pintle hitch, a Shackle hitch, even a hitch step. We do list it on this product page as related products. And that'll allow you to, besides using it as a ball mount, you could use it for other things also. But that should do it for the review on the BulletProof Hitches adjustable 2-ball mount for a 3-inch hitch with a 4-inch drop or rise and a 36,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.